Maayong buntag, guys, from Davao City. We just landed and I checked in here at Seda Hotel. We're waiting for the rest of the group to arrive tomorrow. I'm the first one to arrive because I requested na sana hindi naman ako super mangarag sa schedule because tomorrow it's a whole day event and I'm hosting the whole day. So baka hindi ko kayanin kung umaga pa ako magfa-fly in tapos dire-diretso hanggang event. So sabi ko, like, I'll arrive the day before so at least I can settle in so tomorrow I can focus on work. Today, that means it's a free day and I asked all of you guys for suggestions. Some of them were kind of far. One, I was able to plan already. That's where we're going for dinner. But now let's go find a cute cafe and I probably won't change now because I don't want to run out of sunlight. So let's go. We're walking to the first cafe my friend suggested to me. Apparently it's walkable from the hotel. It's like a 6-minute walk, which isn't bad. So might as well explore this part of town while I head to the city and let's go check it out. Guys, look who found me at the cafe. This is Camille and Nina.
Welcome to Davao.
Thank you. Work is done and now we are at your second suggestion, which is Made Simple. It's at the second floor of this compound. I think it's called CT. Ay, natakot ako magkamali. Bahala na. Okay, let's check it out. Almost 11. Yeah. I just got my scripts for tomorrow. There's 2 parts to the program, so there's the morning and the evening. Guys, this is all me talking, okay? This is 4 pages for the first part. I don't have to memorize it like front to back, word by word. I just want to have an idea of how the flow and how the event's gonna go. Quick recap of today. 1, I'm so happy to be traveling and hosting again with my Bella family because if you guys remember, I did the Cebu event, the opening of the Cebu clinic. And so now we're doing Davao, which I'm so happy about. They're, what's the term? I guess in Tagalog it would be like maalaga sila, which is really nice. Aray, napuwing tuloy ako. First impressions. It's not my first time in Davao, pero I think first time kong mag-explore mag-isa. Kahit sandali lang naman, nag-coffee lang naman ako. Pero grabe yung mga kalsada dito. Parang, 1, ang linis. Well, konti lang naman yung naikutan ko, itong Abriza area. Tapos banda dun sa kabilang buildings. Pero pati dun sa may pinuntahan namin sa dinner, ang linis ng area. Tapos, considering naka-lace top ako kanina, tapos may bit-bit akong camera, parang hindi ako natakot maglakad. I don't know if normal ba yun here, pero hindi siya normal in my experience. Especially when I travel. There are certain cities abroad where, kung nakikita nyo lang guys, meron akong parang shopping bag. Alam mo yung pang grocery. Tapos, tinatago ko talaga lahat ng gamit ko doon. Tapos talagang magmumukha talaga akong gusgusin. Alam mo yung may ganong takot. Pero here, parang ang calm ng mga tao. Tapos, napansin ko sa kalsada, siguro na timingan ko din lang, di ko rin lang naman alam, right? Pero wala masyadong bumubusina, walang mga sumisigaw dun. Pati yung kanina yung jeep, nung may bumaba, tas may sumakay, walang sumisigaw. Like, kalma lang silang lahat. And I was like, okay! Ang saya lang, wala. Anyway, as a very kalmado person, nabibibo lang naman ako when I'm around my friends or ano. Pero in general, pag ako lang mag-isa, chill lang tayo, kalma. I love it. I love the vibes. So, that's the main takeaway that I got from here. Anyway, ang dami ko na namang sinabi. Wow! Pillow talk tayo, guys! Well, wala naman kasi ako kasama. So, syempre, kayo na yung kabonding ko today. I'm gonna study my script na because I feel like the longer I talk. Also, nagigilty ako. Tell me lang if, like, you guys like sit down catch-ups like this or not. Because parang sometimes I feel like ang dami ko sinasabi. Joke lang. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop ranting and I'm gonna finish my work na para makapahinga naman ako kasi maaga pa tayo bukas. And bilang ikaw ang magbubuhat ng buong programa, dapat may energy tayo, diba? Syempre, ayaw natin mapahiya and we wanna represent the Bello team to the best of our abilities. So, with that being said, good night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. One of my besties just arrived. She's getting her hair and makeup done. She texted me. She's like, hey, if you haven't had lunch yet, come order room service and let's have lunch in my room. So let's go bug Chris. I'm letting everybody down. And it seems so very clear that I'm just wasting my I love how we're both. Alam na, ready na tayo. Here, I'll leave it open. I think the food, I can hear it coming. Oh, di pala. Wait. There's only one chair in her room, so I have to go back to my room, get a chair, and then bring it to her room. Sobrang clingy namin. Wait lang. I found a needle in the stack of hay just when I needed it the most. Climbed up the tree so I could feel it sway. Thought I could see the coast. You have no escape from me. I'm like, by hook or by crook, I'm coming over.
It's like, leave the door open. Comes in for the chair. Oh my god. I don't know how to stop, just go. So, as a testament of true friendship, apparently you can see my underwear from this sheer dress. So, Nicole has so kindly obliged. Wait lang. Give me her underwear.
Underwear? My shorts.
Underwear reveal. Underwear
Wait,
reveal.
this is so... It's not sexy. It's like super tita.
So, eto po.
No, kasi I'm
Thank you
wearing
so
a
much.
mini dress later.
I am happy to accept.
2, 3, 4.
Hello, we're in color theme.
What do you call your girl group?
Lover besties.
Lover best.
Lover besties. Lovers. Okay, so first off, we were talking and then as Camille was making kwento something, Chris goes, wait, guys, My shoe broke. Your foot. And then, good thing, I brought this kasi dapat may change. I have to change pala, may change lock pa ako. Bakit hindi? Okay, so ito yung next look ko dapat, which I'll change your shoe.
Are you sure?
Yeah, pero anyway.
Hindi bagay yung green shoes ko dyan.
Hindi na nga eh. Anyway, so I lent you that.
Yes.
And
you
then,
lent this to save my life.
yeah.
And
Alam
then,
mo, honestly, it's just because
and then
magaling
it's
ako
you.
magkwento. You're so, buy us new shoes then! Wait, and then you made me film your Why am I pointing to you like this? You kasi! Kasama mo na ako eh!
ayaw niya matagod sa Davao. Ikaw lang. Good luck sa Jonah.
Yay! Woohoo! Yay! Day 2 is done. We successfully launched the grand opening of Bella Davao, the clinic. Look, ignore my feet in the back. I'm resting them. The clinic looks amazing. If you guys are from Davao or you're near here and you want to go check it out, it's in Abriza Mall. It is really beautiful, but I think what really stood out to me was when I was hosting on stage and I was looking out into the crowd. I don't know what it is about, well, I guess it's also my first time being exposed to a big crowd of people from Davao, and everyone was so nice, everyone was so friendly, and surprisingly, people were even standing outside past the awnings, past the roof to watch and support from afar. And they were standing in the rain. It was pouring rain and it didn't faze them. And some of them didn't even have umbrellas. And I was just like, wow, that's amazing. I don't know what was recorded because I also just left my phone with some of the girls from the Bella team. The whole afternoon when we weren't on stage and when we weren't working, Chris, Camille, and I were just backstage. Literally, we were rushing through, catching up because we only had 2 or 3 hours together. We were trying to catch up on everyone's life. We're just like, okay, literally when Camille came in the room, she sat down, she goes, okay, ano na, Nicole, update me. Tell me everything. And then after I gave all of my updates, she was like, okay, my turn. She gave everything. And then after her, it was Chris's turn. And it's just... One, I'm glad that we're efficient communicators because we were able to catch up in such a short amount of time. But also, when I got into Chris's room kanina, she's like, is someone knocking? They came back kasi minaiti bond yung shoes ko, guys. Alam mo, honestly, I'm really sad about this. Feeling ko pwede pa to. Don't judge me. Ang mahal kaya nito. But this is really one of my favorite shoes. Sobrang really one of my faves. I'm really sad it broke. But I'm gonna send it. Baka pwede pa siyang... Hala, gamit na siya. But baka pwede pa siyang i-Mr. Quickie. Anyway, nilagyan nila ng Mighty Bond kanina. Pero hindi ko na sinuot kasi natakot kami baka mapatid ulit siya while I was hosting live, diba? So, they found my bag of clothes. Kinamit ko lang yung laundry bag ng hotel kasi... wala, hindi ako nakapag-pack ng bag. Anyway, when I saw Chris kanina, she goes, I can tell you're really so eager to talk to me and like catch up. And I'm like, yeah, because also the last few times she was in Manila, I wasn't able to hang out because I was either working or I wasn't in town. So, you know, of course you miss your friends and you want to catch up with them. So it's really, I think we're really lucky that we have opportunities like this where even if we live in far places, even Camille doesn't live so close to us now that she lives, you know, a little bit further away. The time we get to spend together is a lot more seldom. So it's always exciting when we get to do projects together. It also makes work fun, right? Like it doesn't feel like, especially for me when I'm hosting, I don't have to try so hard to get stories out of the subjects because the subjects are my friends and I already know, even before I ask the question, I already know either how they're gonna answer it or I know how to ask it to be able to get, you know, the point we're trying to get at with the interview. Anyway, I wasn't able to talk about the dress because I got so flustered with the shoe breaking kanina. Shout out to the doctor from the Davao clinic who lent me her shoes. It wasn't directly coursed through me, so I was only in the room and I got handed these shoes, so I don't know what went on behind the scenes and how these shoes arrived, but they arrived in the dressing room or in the clinic room in the back, and she saved the day. She saved the outfit. Thank you so much, Doc, whoever you are. You the real MVP. This dress I wasn't able to talk about, but I feel like it deserves its own moment. I'm gonna do this na lang, but you saw naman what the dress looks like, and I'll flash a photo here on the screen in all its glory. This is by one of my favorite local designers, Javier. If you guys are thinking of having something customized for a special occasion, perhaps you're attending a party or an event or a debut or something, he can really customize any item for you and he's really great at doing it. So I think I've done enough talking today. I'm gonna give my vocal cords a rest. I'm gonna stand in a really hot shower right now and just wash all this makeup away and go to bed. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Before I leave Davao, we have a special delivery from Fast Fresh. I met the owner yesterday at the clinic and she was so sweet. She's like, oh, if you're leaving tomorrow, I'll send you over some green juice and some shakes because she knew I was craving it. So she did, in fact, send stuff over. She also sent over a salad and perfect! This is my breakfast today. I'm gonna be feeling so healthy right before I head to the airport. Thank you so much, Fast Fresh. She's also actually the owner of Made Simple, the restaurant we went to the first night. So I didn't get to meet them there, but I did meet her at the clinic. Everyone in Davao has been so sweet. So I'm gonna eat this really quick and head to the airport. See you guys.
Let's try it. Ano tawag dito?
Pastel.
Pastel. Nakakahiya naman. Ayoko naman. Ala, blur na lang kita.
Lagi mo na emoji.
Emoji na lang. Ay, sikat to dito?
Ano?
Sikat to dito. Sikat to dito. Sikat na intindihan ko. I'll buy. Where'd you buy? Hindi naman. Go na kayo pa buy. Ato girl, oh. Bye. Wow. Ilan na yung 100? Next, tumawad pa.